Hello World, Genergy on the ground. The other day you saw a video where we changed the control unit, but I have had questions because it is very complicated. You say dismantle the board in this single, but in this one you said it was more complicated. Let's see how we change the control unit without having to disassemble the board forward. Enter and see it. Well, how to change the control unit without disassembling the dashboard? Just look at it. We are going to do it about this one, which was the one that gave rise to the consultation. I remove a screw, let's put it here, so that the second one doesn't fall off. And now I remove it. See? I have it removed already. Now we disconnect the wires as demonstrated in the video and replace the unit. We ensure no wires are damaged and install the new one. Let's assume it's here and proceed with assembling it. I reconnect the wires. Okay, and I assemble it, but to assemble it, so you can assemble it, you cut a piece of plastic from a bag. I'll put it here, okay? And look, I know it's a thing like that, but you're going to see how well it works. Okay, come on, and back inside. Why the bag? Look, because it's gonna let me pull her to put the screws in. If not, I can't do it. Okay, I score one and I score the other. Let's say we're using a tool, a household tool. Let's see, I haven't written this one down. Sorry, I had moved. Now yes, okay, once I have it written down, well, I only have one thing left, which is to cut the bag. I remove it with a screw. Okay, and removed the changed switchboard without disassembling the board. Well, that's it. More information in energy.es. Remember, it is forbidden to stop learning.